What if AI didn't just think for you, but it actually worked for you? Most AI models wait for prompts, but agents are different. They put the intelligence in artificial intelligence. Give them a goal and they'll figure out how to get it done with the tools that they have. Let's see what makes agents so powerful and how you can build them with Postman. First off, let's dive into what exactly are AI agents. An AI agent is an autonomous decision-making system. Think of it as a smart entity that perceives its environment, decides what to do, and takes actions to achieve a goal, all with a degree of independence. Unlike standard AI models that passively process input, AI agents can act. For example, a virtual assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but proactively schedules meetings for you. An AI-powered robot navigating a warehouse to pick up items, or an autonomous car deciding when to accelerate or brake based on real-time road conditions. In short, AI agents are digital or robotic problem solvers that take initiative, adapt, and turn high-level goals into real results, all on their own. So, what makes an AI system agentic? Here are some key characteristics. Perception. It senses or gathers data from its environment. Decision-making. It analyzes that data to choose the best action. Actions. It performs an action that affects its environment. Autonomy. It operates without needing constant human commands. Goal-directed behavior. It pursues specific objectives, often planning or adapting along the way. In contrast, a non-agentic AI might just perform a fixed task like classifying an image without deciding or acting on its own. When should you use AI agents? Use AI agents when you need systems that can act autonomously, like monitor systems' health and restart services if they fail, make dynamic decisions like navigating changing environments or user inputs, perform goal-directed tasks, for example, optimizing resources or completing multi-step workflows, handle complex or repetitive processes like integrating multiple tools in a business automation, adapt or learn over time, such as personalized recommendations that improve with data. Scripts and basic automations are great for straightforward, rule-based problems. But when you need to go further, handling unpredictable scenarios, adapting on the fly, or orchestrating multi-step goals, AI agents bring a whole new level of capability. So you might be wondering, how can you build AI agents with Postman? Well, the answer is with Postman Flows. It lets you create agents by combining APIs with the AI agent block. Flows modules allow you to build reusable components that automate tasks across your APIs. These modules give your AI agent the ability to interact with its environment by defining what it can access and how it can perform actions. The AI agent block acts as the orchestrator. It uses tools and modules to achieve the objectives given in its prompt, adapting its workflow based on the inputs it receives from various tools and triggers. It can respond to natural language prompts, analyze data, generate content, make decisions, and call other flow modules. Select an AI model that best suits your tasks. Enter a system prompt in natural language to define the goals for your agent. AI can accomplish complex tasks with minimal instructions when given the right tools. And then finally, configure your tools, which are Flows modules your AI agent block can run automatically. This block generates any input data it needs from its own knowledge or from variables that you provide. Once set up, the AI agent block uses these tools and contexts to autonomously complete your tasks. To accelerate your AI agent creation, explore Postman's templates. These templates combine large language models, tools, and triggers for real-world workflows, whether that's in DevOps, marketing, customer support, or sales. So, are you ready to build your own AI agents? Head over to postman.com/templates to explore ready-to-use AI agent templates and start automating your workflows intelligently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building AI-powered solutions with Postman. Bring your workflows to life with AI agents. Get started today.